Hey, it's Abhi here and welcome to the video. In this video, I'm going to talk about the types of landing pages that you can use, that I use in order to generate sales on ClickBank and MaxWeb networks like these, with Google and Bing ads, right? Microsoft ads, whatever that you want to call. So as you can see, this is a very pretty simple landing page, and this is, approved by Google itself that these type of landing pages work. All right, so you can see, right, it is a very simple. There's image here, there's a simple button here, there's a simple button here. This glucose review and discount, supporting healthy blood sugar levels. I'm not saying curing your blood sugar levels and things such as those, right? Those are bold claims, and these are not bold claims. These are very simple, wordings here. So what is glucotrust here? Does it work? How does it work, and what are the ingredients? And their testimonials that I got from the sales page itself, and what I disliked about, what I liked about, the pros and cons, the dosage, the side effects, final thoughts, and should you buy glucotrust, right? And these are the images that I got from the sales page itself, right? The bonuses that they're offering, I just mentioned that on this page. All right, and you can see it's done. It's pretty it's pretty simple. Okay, so as you can see that you need to have these terms written over on your landing page. You need to have this contact, privacy policy, disclaimer, things like that to actually be compliant with the policies of Google and Microsoft, right? Now let me show you another one. So these are posted in, right? This landing page is actually what I am using right now. It's basically the same landing page, just the content is different, right? I changed the color here. I use Thrive Architect plugin, by the way, in order to create these landing pages. And these are Fastlane Pro, again very similar, actually the same landing page, just different information, right? Now these are review landing pages. Now there is another type of landing pages that I will show you, and these are hybrid type of landing pages, right? So this is simple, straight to the affiliate offer type of landing pages, plus there is some element of review as well, some ingredients, images, and that's it, right? Not a lot of content in here, some FAQs in here, right? So this one, you can see there's a lot of information going on here, but this one, you can see there is not a lot of, just simple things, right? The offer here, right? And what exactly is Pure Drop, that's it. And some some more facts about Pure Drop and things like this, right? The reviews and such. Okay, and now I want to show you another landing page, which is more like, straight to the face kind of landing page. So this is the type of landing page that I was talking about. It was straight to your face, right? Flat sale only for today, get 2 free bonuses. That's in the landing, that's in the sales page itself, right? And here I have actually a timer in this page. Let me just open this on another browser so that I can show it to you. All right, here you go. So can you see this is for another product, I believe? So this is for research, right? As you can see, it is a very simple landing page, some information here, and then there is a page here. All these buttons, these images goes to my affiliate link. All right, pretty simple. Now personally, right, with my experience, what happens is, right, with Microsoft ads, this kind of landing pages works best. So if you are doing Microsoft ads, you can go ahead and work on this review style landing page. All right, and with with Google ads, this kind of landing page and the hybrid landing page works best. So you can actually go ahead and split test yourself to see what works best. Now I have a tip for you. All right, so whenever you create a landing page, you are going to obviously put some content on it. So I want you to use the power of AI to make sure, like, to lessen the chance of getting suspended, or lessen the chance of violating a policy of Microsoft ads or Google ads. So how do you do that? You can simply go ahead and open the free version of ChatGPT, all right, and just ask it a simple question like, right, do you know about, here I have a Google ads policy, right? That was supposed to be a question mark, but that's it. So as of last knowledge updated January 2022, I have information about Google ads policies up to that date. So this is 2023, right? Nothing major changes in here. And what you can do is you can add in a prompt like, right, I keep typing that instead of a question mark. But anyway, well, I can't directly analyze specific content including landing page, so you're not going to give you the link, right? What you can do is you can basically go ahead. For example, I will just copy this one, right, and I will add in here. So analyze this, right? And you go, I will add it on inverted commas and it will analyze, right? So here are potential areas to watch out for: health claims, right? So it is giving me some results that is saying that there are some claims in there, right? So what I will do is locate, and you can actually go ahead and read this, all right, and make changes accordingly. So you can just go ahead and copy the suggested alternative, edit your landing page right here, right, and make the changes. So this will reduce your chance of getting banned by Microsoft ads by a mile, or Google ads by a mile. All right, so this is a golden nugget. So use AI to your advantage. And as you can see, right, this review style works best with Microsoft ads, and the hybrid style and the on your face sales style of landing page works best with Google ads if you're doing brand bidding. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to create Google ads, right? I'm going to manually create it, record it, and upload it on this channel. Okay, so if you want to watch that, stick around, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Hope this one was actually helpful though, right? If it is, let me know in the comments. All right, cheers.